Swadikap, it's Jeffrey here. So if you guys are into traveling, photography, any kind of art, today you are in for a treat because this place is for you. Okay, right now I'm with Nong Eun. We are going to go check out this place, วิหารเทพวิทยาคม Nong Eun was telling me that this place started with a vision of หลวงพ่อคูณ He wanted this place to be a holy place and also some place that people can come and worship and also enjoy themselves. This place is the biggest monument that made out of ceramic. The one that you are seeing here behind me, in Thai we call Payanak. Each of the Payanak has 19 heads. The 19 head represents the 19 blessings. So when you come here, you have lots of blessing. And also we have one more Payanak right there in the middle that has 7 heads.
The statue started with the vision of Hluang Po Kun when 7 magic gems were given from our neighboring country Laos, and this astonishing Payanak made from 900,000 pieces of mosaic now protects and bless visitors from all over the world.
The elephant head that you are seeing right now weighs about 50 เท่าไหร่นะ 520 ตัน
ใช่ค่ะ
520 tons. Only the tusk alone, one side is 10 tons, so it's massive. And the mosaic all together here is 21 million pieces altogether.
And that is why the 42-meter high 4-story temple is the biggest ceramic mosaic temple in Asia. And the most amazing thing to me is that each individual mosaic has to be hand-placed by over 400 villagers. It is meticulously placed where one person could attach no more than a square meter a day.
4 of these massive archway, and each tells a different story. It just depends on which direction or which way you're looking at. So coming here, you get to think of many different things about life and about sins and doing good deed, good merit.
The first archway belongs to Pra In, who will greet you with his music. A pros tip from Nong Eun. The angel on the left is Panya Barami. He will grant you with a wish of wisdom. You just need to put your forehead on his finger and make that wish. The angel on the right is Metta Barami. He will grant you the blessing of success and prosperity. The second archway belongs to Payom, something like the Grim Reaper, judging, collecting, deciding to go up or down. I'm sure you know what I mean. This archway belongs to Papirun or Pawarun in India, controlling all the rain and water. Think Poseidon. And here is also where the tales of the 2 Payanak meets, guarding the Gyao Salapatนึก, or the wishing gem that makes all your wishes come true. This last archway belongs to Prakuwen or Tawe Suwan, the leader of all giants. Wait, is Avatar a giant? Before we go inside, I want to say it again. This place is truly a work of art. Everywhere you look, you discover something new. Even the toilets are fully decked out. At the underground floor, or Payanak's lair. In the middle, decorated with all the jewels and riches, is an open space for all kinds of exhibition and activities. Along the side, you will see information about different zodiac according to the day you are born. I'm born on a Monday, so it's this yellow one here. There are no entry fees at Wat Ban Rai. But if you decide to donate, you can do so through these smart cards. On the first floor are these 6 huge paintings that depicts Lord Buddha's life from birth to enlightenment and pass on to nirvana. Here's something fun. You can make a wish under this wishing tree. Try to roll the coin so it makes 3 passes around the tree. If you can do that, congratulations! Your wish comes true. Moving along to the second floor. This is an exhibition of Buddhism practice around the world. The first type is Theravada. That's what we Thai Buddhists practice. The second type is Mahayana, mostly practiced in China. Next is the Zen Buddhists from Japan. This one is Vajrayana Buddhist from Tibet and Nepal, practiced by Dalai Lama. And this last piece shows how we can achieve peace through Buddhism. This third floor is filled with art relating with our everyday life and Buddhism teaching. For example, this picture here, when we are angry, we sometimes raise our voice, yell, scream, display all kinds of angry emotions, just like the ugly toad that tries to make himself bigger. Upon reaching the top, you are greeted with an open area patio that gives extraordinary view of the countryside. You will share this view with 2 bronze statues, a 7-meter high Buddha and a 5-meter tall sculpture of Hluang Po Kun. We must not forget to thank our guide Nong Eun for all her insights.
Thank you ขอบคุณน้องเอิญมากนะครับขอบคุณครับ Come drop by. It's open from 8 o'clock 8 โมงเช้าถึง
5 โมงเย็น
5 o'clock in the evening.
That's it for us today. Don't forget to press that subscribe button for more. Smash that like button. It does really make a difference. So, like. Comment. Have you been here to Wat Ban Rai? And where would you like us to go next? Share these videos to your friends that are on a trip here to Thailand. Get out there, experience, learn, and create your life. It's me, Jeffrey, signing off. See you guys next time.